How's it going, guys? Welcome to Trade Confident. My name is Travis Martin. Do not miss this video, okay? I just want to put that out in the beginning. We are currently 62 for 62 wins. We just ended up calling an exit out this morning for XRP, and I just called another stop loss move, so you guys are all in the profit, 4.72% there. Previous trades, just give you guys a quick update here that we've done 17.88% on Matic here, 25.18% on DOT, 32% profit on Bitcoin. We have not lost a single trade yet. All right. You guys are like, what is Travis doing on EOS here? Well, I told you guys in the past videos that I have something coming up here you don't want to miss. This is the video. Now, I need everyone to repeat with me. This is not a normal video. Okay, Travis, this is not a normal video. All right, guys? This is what I'm calling my wild card pick of 2021. Now, this is not listed on our website under the metrics that you guys are fully aware of. This is not listed under the trade setups. So, please pay attention to this entire video as I have just deposited another $10,000 into my account, and I'm going to be using some of this because I'm getting ready to buy EOS, and I'll explain to you guys why. And I think this is an urgent message for you guys, okay? So let's go over from the beginning. We're going to take this very slow. It's going to be a longer video, but I'll give you everything you guys need to know, okay? Because this coin is not tracked on the metrics, and it is not tracked on the live trades here, what you guys need to do is follow me in the Telegram channel. How do you get access into that? You guys need to go to the pricing on tradeconfident.io. It's $49 a month. Not only will you guys get the trade setups for all the other coins, which obviously you guys are doing fantastic, this is how we're winning all 61 trades with these coins right here. This is just one wild card that I'm pulling out for the year. I'm going to try to do one per year, and my choice this year is EOS, okay? $49 a month. Once you have that, scroll down to the bottom and click Telegram. Make sure you're signed in first. It will give you guys the link to get into this Telegram channel over here where I will be covering updates for the EOS trade I'm talking about today. This is the only video I'm going to do for you guys for EOS to show you how to set this up, and that is it. So please do not miss this. Okay, why EOS? Let's get into this. I'm gonna take my time here. I'm not gonna edit anything, so if I mess up my words, so be it. I don't want to miss anything on this video, so I'm just gonna not edit. Okay, block.one. You guys have probably heard about this. Theo-backed block.one injects billions in crypto exchange. Okay, block.one. I actually covered this on the YouTube channel back in May 2021, and I was like, oh my gosh, this thing could be ridiculous, and now's the time. Okay, block.one, a blockchain software company whose long-term backers include billionaire Peter Thiel, Alan Howard, and Louis Bacon, is launching a crypto exchange. Okay, this is very important. A crypto exchange. This is all going to come together here in a second. That seeks to combine attributes of traditional Bourses with the benefits of decentralized finance. Okay, Bullish is the exchange, guys. It's going to be called Bullish. Okay, Bullish, as the exchange will be known, is being capitalized by block.one with about 10 billion, not million, 10 billion in digital assets and cash. Here comes the big kicker right here. The seeding for Bullish Global includes 164,000 Bitcoins valued at 7.9 billion, 100 million in cash, and 20 million EOS tokens, which power block.one transactions. If you know what this could possibly mean, this is insane. Okay, if EOS is used to power the transactions and even possibly used to accumulate fees for trades in and out of the market, what does this sound like? This is the exact same scenario that happened on what, guys? The BNB token. Okay, now let's look at BNB. BNB launched just over 3 years ago. It initially found its way onto the crypto market through the Indian coin offering, ICO. Excuse me, I'm so sorry. Initial coin offering. So I told you guys, not going to edit any of this. Initial coin offering taking place from June 26th to July 3rd, 2017. Okay, BNB was immediately usable as payment for transaction fees. Could this actually be the same setup here where we're seeing EOS as a token to power the block.one transactions? Okay, follow me here on the cryptocurrency exchange Binance.com, launched just 11 days after the ICO. All right, do you guys know what happened to BNB coin? It went through the roof. Now, let's give proof of BNB, and this is all going to pull. You guys are going to see this. You guys pull this date over here. It is July 3rd, 11 days after. Where does that correlate to? Exactly over here we can see on the chart, which would be the 15th of July 15th of July 2017, okay? From this point when it got accepted and it was, quote here, used as transactions fees for the cryptocurrency exchange Binance, this has only gone up a ridiculous amount. To date, this has gone up not 31,000%, it has gone up 311,666.67% to date. At the high here, it ended up getting up here at the peak price at a total percentage increase of 395,000% increase. Insane amount of growth here, obviously. Now, why does this coin grow so much? My personal thoughts on this. If you are always creating transaction fees with a coin and you are always buying into it because you have to pay your fees with it, this is constant injection into the actual market for BNB because fees are being placed with this coin. Binance also gives you guys, if you know about Binance, they gives you discounts if you trade with this. Okay, I know this is a longer video, but if EOS is going to be the power token behind this exchange and it already has $10 billion in assets and cash backing this thing could take off. Now, they are expected to announce the bullish exchange before the end of 2021. That gives us about 2 months and 10 days to get in here before this thing could start skyrocketing and taking off, okay? This is why I want us to get into this trade here, and it's my one pick in here. So I'm going to make this very straightforward and easy for you guys to follow. I have already set up 4 buy limits in here that you guys can follow. This is what you guys can view here. Everyone can get into this because I think it's a great thing. And again, I'm not getting into this beforehand and doing a video. I'm doing the video. I'm going to enter live with you guys on this chart here. Here are the 4 buy limits. Now, again, I told you this video is going to be a little bit different. You guys always hear me say we never want to get in at the top prices and we never want to FOMO in. Okay, we are buying this on such a ridiculous discount. Let me show you guys on the daily time frame what this actually looks like and where we have come from. Are we buying in and are we FOMOing into this? No, we are buying way, way down here. Okay, this is a great spot to enter into. Now, let me say this. I know some of you guys are going to watch this video. You're going to get really excited about this because there is technical proof and fundamental proof this coin could skyrocket here, and it's under the radar. Nobody's really looking at it right now. You Google this or you YouTube this, hardly anybody's covering this. But I happen to know some very big players who are about to get into this coin that could move this thing substantially. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. So I'm giving you guys a heads up here, all right? Also, when this video comes out, you guys are going to see a lot of people in our channel probably take this, and there's millions of dollars worth in our channel. We have, for some reason, we just have it's probably because of the hedge funds I've worked with before and I've accumulated those people and a lot of people trust this, but we have a lot of money. So when this video comes out, you might want to get in. That's all I'm going to say. Here's what I've done. I have come into my exchange, and I'll show this to you guys clearly. I have already set up the buy limits in here for 402, 323, and 252. That exactly correlates over to these here at 252, 323, and 402. I have not entered the market yet. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to enter in. Now, your questions are going to be all over the place. But again, I'm going to say that this is not a normal video. Everything else, please watch it and keep the same thing because this is a question I'm going to get. Travis, the well money flows at the top here, as well as the trend exhaustion. Aren't you expecting to move back down? We did break this ascending support line here, and this could be a nice break, a retest, and a breakout here. This is a pattern that happens about 60 to 70% of the time. Okay, so you want to be watching this. Also, guys, we are not getting into absolute top prices. We are still at super, super low discounts from the high. And on top of that, we are not entering in with 100% of our position. I am still dollar cost averaging in here in case the Bitcoin market crashes. All right, let me show you some more proof of why I like this coin. Let's continue here. And I will show you guys how I'm placing that trade. Open the Bitcoin dominance here with me. Take this and move this all the way down to another chart here. And let's come down to the bottom and let's move this up and let's move this up here. What do you guys notice here with the Bitcoin dominance relative to the EOS price here? When the dominance of Bitcoin actually goes down, if you guys know what dominance is, it basically is taking the whole market cap of all the cryptos and how much of the whole market cap is put into Bitcoin. It's super simple. Okay, great. The overall market cap, when it goes down for Bitcoin, we see an increase in EOS in a lot of altcoins. Sometimes. Now, this is not always true. But what we've been seeing here, as the dominance decreases, we see an increase in the price of EOS. All right? As we can see this over here, sometimes when the dominance increases, we are seeing a little bit of a move up. But as this is increased, the dominance, more money going into Bitcoin, usually that means people are taking their money out of altcoins and transitioning them into Bitcoin. That is how the dominance increases. The market cap gets higher because where are people taking money from? Their banks and also other altcoins they don't feel that are moving that well. That is why a lot of altcoins have not been moving much lately and going sideways like ADA and Bitcoin's been blasting off is because the dominance has been so high. Now, follow me here. I do believe there is a correction, maybe not a crash, but a correction to be had on Bitcoin. If a correction is had and a correction does happen and the overall dominance of Bitcoin goes down, historically what we see is a jump in the price of EOS. Okay? Watch this. A dominance moving down requires usually an increase in EOS. All right, this is another bullish reason of why I'm getting in right now, and I'm going to try to ride this up with you guys, okay? So I want to point that out on the chart. So all this leaves us to do now is to enter into this trade, and I'm going to show you guys how I'm doing this over on Coinbase. So let's go over here, and I'm going to enter it on my app right now. I'm going to click buy, and I'm going to show you this guys actually ends up getting filled right now. So market price, I'm going to go buy, I'm going to go market, and then I'm personally, out of the 10,000 I put in, I'm splitting it in half. So I'm taking $5,000, my personal money, and I'm putting $1,250 at each of these levels. Because yes, we could actually come back down further, but I want to get some money in the market here, okay? The other $5,000, I'll decide this next week or next 2 weeks of what I want to put it into. I'm probably going to wait for the move back down in Bitcoin and then reallocate into some of these coins because I'm already waiting for Ethereum and ADA to get picked up. So I'm going to buy, and then I'm going to market, and then the amount of USD that I'm buying, because I have $5,000 split into 4 equal portions with the buy limits, which I always teach you guys, is going to be 1,250. The total EOS is going to be 263.012, and I'm going to place this order as a market order right now. So we're going to get in here, we're going to preview the order, and we're going to do place order. You guys will actually see, if I refresh here, that you will see the last on here was a sell, and we currently have a buy entry here for EOS, which should show up here in a second. There you guys go. Cool. So we are in the market now for EOS. And I also have, which I can show you guys here, the open orders. I have this in here and waiting for these others to get filled, which are the other 3 buy limits for EOS. Now, I will keep you guys updated on this trade over on the Telegram channel, okay? Make sure you guys have your membership over here. It's very important. $49 a month unlocks this page down here to get into the Telegram channel. Obviously, you guys, don't stop trading any of these coins up here. I'm not. I'm still waiting for Ethereum. I'm currently in ADA. I've got another $5,000 I will be allocating to these coins as well. So by no means does this mitigate any of these other coins that we're trading. Like, we're 61 for 61. It better not, okay? This is just a one-time wild card pick that I have for the year that I want to let you guys know about that I think could do very well. So I want us to get some money into the game here and kind of get some skin into the game, if you will. Okay, guys? There you guys go. Real quick, if you guys don't know this already, the indicators are going up in price. I know we didn't use them too much for today's video, but mark these words, guys. Once we get into the profit here, I'm looking for sell targets up here of about $6.33, and the other profit target I'm looking at is $9.90 to get us out before we reach the $10 psychological level. This will end up putting us into the profit about 108%. Now, if this does what the BNB token did, this thing could fly up far higher than $24 and where it's been in the past. It could go extreme. So let's get in here and let's just hold this for a little bit, and I will update you guys in the Telegram channel. I'll probably do another video here and there about this if you guys want me to on YouTube. So there you guys go. God bless you so much. The indicators are on sale. If you guys want to snag those, at minimum, get the price first, the well money flow, the trend exhaustion, and please, the bundle pack, guys, is the best deal if you want all the indicators at the ridiculous low price. And make sure, if you want to follow this trade and how I'm going to be personally making money on this, that you guys come over to the pricing and you guys get into the membership and you guys click Telegram and get yourself added to this group over here, because that's where the updates will be. All right, guys, let's see what happens here. God bless you. Let's make some profits. Bye, guys.